Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually change the background color in WordPress. So now if you want to do so, please make sure that you have your dashboard open by going to wordpress.com/wp and admin, and there this will be open for you. So from there what you will have to do is pretty simple steps. Open the dashboard. If you don't have it already open, go to this link that I've showed you before, and then make log in using your username and password. Right after that you go to post, for example, and let's create a new post by going here, and let's add the new article by going here, and let's add it here. Let's remove this okay, let's remove this block, and let's keep only this block. So let's name it something like that and click on publish. So now, for example, how you can actually edit this page or edit this color, what you have to do is make it for list. Wait, let me check. Codes. You can actually do this by using the codes, and then let's make it a paragraph. Okay, let's control this paragraph, and here we will see more settings. Okay, I don't know why the settings are not showing for me, but let me just refresh this page. Okay, let me refresh this page or click on update. Alright, let's review it. Okay, now it looks like that. Now what you'll have to do, basically there is multiple options, which is by clicking in here, adding background, background color, and okay, and you can add, for example, brown, and that's how you can actually change the background. Of course, you can select the whole website and sorry guys, and change the background from here, make it whatever you like, and much more options from here. What you have then to do is Ctrl A, Ctrl C, customize, then edit CSS, additional CSS, and from here you paste the code just like so, and you click on publish. So right after that the code will be done and you will be ready to go. So hey guys, thank you guys for watching. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.